students. Now let us see about introduction. See here, we live in the world of substances with a great diversity. Substances are formed by the combination of various elements. How the substances are forming? It is forming by the combination of various elements. All the elements are unique in the nature and property. All the elements are unique and it is nature in the property. See here, look at the next one. To categorize these elements according to their properties, scientists started a look for a way. To categorize all their elements, to arrange all these elements in their order, scientists look at many ways. In 1800, there are only 31 known elements. In the year of 1800, we are having only 31 known elements. And in the year of 1865, their number became 63. And in the year of 1865, the number became 63. In 1800, only there are 31 elements. And at the year of 1865, there are 63 elements. Now, 118 elements have been discovered. Now, totally we are having 118 elements. As different elements were being discovered, scientists gathered more and more information about the properties of the elements. At first stage only we are having 31, and in next stage 63, and in final stage we are having 118 elements. So the elements are more. So the scientists gathered to convey more information about their properties of elements. Next is, they found it difficult to organize all that was known about the elements. They found it difficult to organize all. So they found some difficulties to organize all about the elements because there are 118 elements. So they found some difficulties to organize. They started looking for some pattern. They started looking for some pattern in their properties on the basis of which they could study such a large number of elements with ease. Let us discuss the concept of classification of elements proposed by various scientists from early to modern period. In this unit, we are going to discuss the elements that are proposed by scientists in early to modern period. From the early to till modern period, what are the elements which are the scientists discovered, that we will study in this unit briefly.